So another happy good morning Sunday salad day, if you're watching today that is. Egg mayonnaise, very simple. We've added a few little extra bits, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center I've got 5 hard-boiled eggs. I've got a cup of bell peppers, different colors, cup of tomato, half a cup of mayo, salt and pepper, tablespoon of chopped parsley, and then Parmesan and cheddar cheese. That's a nice strong mature cheddar, by the way, 2 tablespoons. You know what we're gonna do? So we have a mixing bowl in there. You can see that I've chopped my eggs. Very simply, let's get some salt and pepper in. Chopped parsley. Tomato. The bell peppers. Now look, you can be putting anything you want in there. Cucumbers, celery, olives, up to you. A couple of tablespoons of Parmesan, a couple of tablespoons of cheddar, or you can just use a different cheese or just one of these. Like cream cheese actually works nicely in this as well, like some Philly sort of cheese in there is good. And then I'm going to go half a cup of mayo. Now I don't want it swimming in mayo, so you can adjust this if you want and add some more. I'm going to give that a mix, come back, of course, it's done. And there you have it, super easy, super delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon, take care. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.